In this video, I want to talk about this vintage fire extinguisher. If you look close, it says right here, this was stamped new December of 1982. So this is older than me. It still has the factory seal on it right here. And it says that it is charged, it's in the green, so it's good to go. And I don't believe that. This is older than me. I got this in my old house while I was remodeling it. It was hanging up in one of the closets. Maybe it was forgotten about. And I'm ready to let it go and get rid of it. So I took it to the fire station and I said, can you take this? Or how do I get rid of this? And they wouldn't take it. What they did tell me to do is they said there's nothing inherently dangerous inside of here. So he told me to go in the woods and try and empty it, and then you can just throw it away in the trash. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's see if it still works. What do you think? Maybe? I doubt it. We'll see. I'm gonna cut this 4-decade-old factory seal. I almost feel bad because it's like a vintage item. And now the pin is loose. Let's go see. Okay, none of you environmentalists come after me. The fire department made me do it. Pull the pin. No way. No way that still works. I am absolutely shocked. There's no way that still works. I am utterly shocked right now. That's a lot. Yeah. That's making a mess. You should do it a little at a time. I cannot believe this. Okay. Well, since it looks like the woods is on fire, I think maybe I'll do like one little spray at a time or something. I am absolutely shocked. Now you can see where the thing is saying recharge, but there's still a bunch in here. Trying to do it low so it doesn't go everywhere. It's gonna rain later, so that'll be good. It looks like this pile is on fire. So if you ever need to, if you're a filmmaker, if you need to make it look like there's a fire somewhere, oddly enough, a fire extinguisher would work. There we go. There we go. That's what I was expecting. Don't want to breathe it in. All right, well, the question is answered. Will a 40-year-old fire extinguisher work? Maybe, but it's never a good idea to rely on that if you have a fire. So always check them, make sure they're still good, and get them serviced or replace them whenever you can, often. But that's crazy. Thanks for watching.